Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And you just never know what you'll find on the internet. It's a wealth of information, and you think, nobody's talking about shortwave or scanner radios, and you go on the internet and you find all kinds of things. Now, what I found this morning, and I don't remember exactly how I got here, I think I saw an article or something that mentioned Mike right here, and he publishes or has published all these books about shortwave radio and frequencies and stuff like that. And I've reviewed a couple of them, and I thought, well, let me see what Mike is up to now. Well, I did a Google search on his name right up here, and this is what it came up with. And then I thought, let's use this option showing images related to Mike. So I clicked on that. It's like, oh, okay, there's Mike. There's some of his publications. Let's see if there's any exciting pictures or interesting pictures. And I'm scrolling down here like, wow, that's cool. Let's click on that. So I clicked on that, and there's a program called Code 300. And I thought, man, that's kind of interesting. I don't think I've ever used that program. I know about it. Let me see what he has to say. So, excuse me. I clicked on visit this website that has these images. Okay, so we click on visit, and then it takes me to this website, which I have never heard of, but it looks pretty exciting. Now, this particular link, it sends me to this website called Doc Player. And here is a full monitoring times for February of 2013. Excuse me. Now, I used to subscribe to monitoring times all the time. I mean, they were the great publications in their day, and of course now they're gone. But this website is showing me this whole magazine. And of course my computer's a little slow, so it goes through there kind of slow. And there's a review of the Grundig Satellite 750. It's on page 56. So I can scroll down here. And whoops, I can't do it that way though. That's scrolling down on the page of the website. I have to use this scroll here to scroll this PDF, and I don't know what page I'm on, of monitoring times for 2013. Anyway, what's even more interesting is down here you can share this article, or you can download it. So I'm not going to do it right now because I've already done it. So you can click download, and it will download this PDF of this magazine. I don't know if there's any problems with that, but I did it. And I'm not advocating stealing magazines, but it seems to be available to the public. So I thought, what is this website? So let me go back. And so it's called Doc Player, and you can do a search. And before I do the search, I'm going to go ahead and do the search. And then I'm going to try to show you what this is, what this website is. So I'm going to search on shortwave. And I'm like, what is this anyway? So we're going to search on that. And here are the articles that have been published by various people on shortwave, with shortwave in the title. So, like, here's a review of the Grundig radio right here. Oh, this is actually the owner's manual for the Grundig radio. Maybe I should do a search on Regency, see if I can find that darn manual for that Regency scanner I've got. Anyway, see what other things. We'll just quickly look at this other. Here's an article on 4 to 10 megahertz shortwave radio. Let's just click on one of these. And there it is. Again, it's a PDF, and it's a manual for the Ramsey Electronics model number SR1 shortwave radio. Boy, wouldn't this be cool if my Regency radio is in here. Anyway, so that's that one. There's a schematic. So let's go back to my listing of shortwave. Here's an article on build a shortwave antenna. Let's just click on that one. What the heck? See what it is. Build a shortwave antenna by N4UJW. And there's the article with, it looks like links. Oh, I think I've seen this article. Again, these must be articles or things that people have published, and they use this website to post them. And you can, like I say, if you scroll down here on the side here, you can download the article and then read it at your leisure. So let's now go back up and let's click on Doc Player, which is the name of this website. It's docplayer.net. And this tells you about it. It says, we offer you effective and free publishing and information sharing tools. Seems to be free. And you can register. And I don't know the advantages of registering. Let me see if it'll tell you if I click on this. Registration. We strongly use this. Okay, I don't know what that gives you for registering, except definitely if you probably register, then you can post things. Where if you're not registered like I am right now, you can only read things. So let's go back. And then it shows you, it's got these articles broken down by tutorials, business guides, scientific research, creative activities, and then it gives you a listing of the popular articles, which there are thousands of articles. Or you can use a method I used initially, which is search. And let's just try something else. Let's try, oh, there's antenna. Let's try SDR. See if it's got anything on SDR. Yep. Special drawing rights, international funding, overcoming technical difficulties. See if we can find anything that's SDR control software short user's manual. Yeah, let's look at that. This one, it tells you number of pages. This is 11 pages. Software control software for SDR control versions. SDR control versions 75 and up. Now the one thing, there's the author. Oh, okay, this was published in 2011. And it tells you various things about controlling your SDR, and this is the software. There's a picture of it, SDR control box. Huh. This is fantastic. I am overwhelmed by the information that is shared on the internet. See what else we have under SDR. A user's guide to SDR Sharp. I wonder how old that is. I wonder if it'll tell me. This is 7 pages. Does not tell me. Oh, here we go. 2012 again. Anyway, let me go down. Okay, there are at least, let's go to 6. There are at least 6 pages. Let's go to 6 and see if it shows there's more pages. Yeah, this goes on. This could be, this could be 100 pages of these various articles. It's just unbelievable. And I knew nothing about this. Just kind of lucked onto it. So check this out. Again, it's docplayer.net. If you go there, let's go back to that. You see this page, and then right now, for me, the easiest thing to do is just search. Let me just search on Regency, Regency. I won't go to the specific model. Oh, yep, there we go. So now let's go to the specific model that I have, which is a D810. Whoop, typo, D810. And none found. Too bad. Let me try scanner. Someone suggested that I try searching for other scanners than the A10. Nope. And he did send, one person sent me a link to a manual for the 310, I believe it was, and it's just enough different. It didn't work. I thank everybody for all the suggestions that you've given me for getting that scanner to work. I'm concluding that it's broke. I did get it so that I programmed a couple of channels, and one person pointed out you don't use channel 00. So I programmed 1, 2, and 3, and the programming went through, and it showed the frequency that I programmed, and when I did a scan, it came back with that poor F dot on the display. I looked back at the 3 channels that I programmed, and they had 316.9 megahertz, which I'm assuming that's not a frequency it can scan. So it didn't retain what I had programmed. So I'm guessing it's broke in some fashion, and I'm about to give up on it. But thanks everybody for all your suggestions. Maybe somebody will. A couple of people did find the manual on eBay for sale for like $16. Well, the radio is not even worth $16. I'm not going to pay $16 for a manual, so that's out the door. Anyway, check out this dock player. Pretty cool. If you see some interesting articles on dock player, please share them. Leave a comment. Send me an email, TRRS73@gmail.com, and have a great day. Bye-bye.